Have you ever wondered why some women can make men crazy about them without even doing anything? You may think that they look like models or they're just lucky. They definitely know how to make them mad for them. No, you are totally wrong if you think in this way. It has nothing to do with their appearance. They never pursue their men or try to attract their attention. Instead, they let men chase them. And this is exactly what all men truly likely to do no matter how hard it is. Men enjoy chasing women and men like to fight for what they want, that they are worthy of you, and you must give them the chance to do so. If you want to know a quick way to make a man fall in love with you, here's some secrets how to do it. Women who have succeeded in making a man madly into them know that there are 5 little things. So, if you are interested in this topic and stuff like relationship problems, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell down below. Let's get started. 1. They allowed males to chase them. Women who know how to melt men are completely aware that they must be chased by men rather than pursued by them. After all, it is a fundamental law of male-female interactions that must not be overlooked, especially in today's world where many women wear pants in their relationships. Because it is in their nature to hunt and make an attempt to win something, real guys go crazy for women who allow them to pursue them. If you want to master the art of having someone fall in love with you, this is one of the most crucial things to remember. Men, you see, don't fall in love with you when they receive, they fall in love with you when they offer. And that's why you should constantly give him space enough to make you chase, because as soon as he believes he can, he'll be completely crazy about you. 2. They allow men to show their worth to them. A woman who knows how to make a guy fall in love with her does not go out of her way to prove to him that she deserves of his affection. Rather, she lets him show it to her, and she does this by hiding her feelings for him, even when he has done nothing to earn his affection. Women who know how to act properly do not wait for their PH call or text, and do not beg for them to do so either. Instead, they focus on other things they need to take care, and when guys who they are interested in call or send message, they respond appropriately. They always let men be worthy because the concept of chasing a woman works on the principle of pursuit and proof that they are worthy. That's why all you have to do is waiting and let it go. 3. They express their feelings. A woman who understands how to win a man's heart will never fight with him about how he treats her. She simply informs him of her likes and dislikes. The idea is to avoid complaining in order to talk, because complaining about his actions will not help you. Instead, all you have to do is express your feeling about his actions. And if he cares about your feelings, he will always do the right thing. However, if he does not, you will know that he is not the right one in your life. Telling him how you felt will encourage him to work more and strive to make you happy if he's the right guy. 4. They don't put up with nonsense. Women who know how to make a real man fall in love with them, on the other hand, can't bear their nonsense. Instead, they let kids know right on that certain behaviors would not be tolerated. It is critical to remember this because informing a man that you do not want to dance at his pace is a must for him to slow down for you. He'll notice right away that you're not an easy target. Because you are a rare pearl, he will classify you as someone who takes more effort. How do you tell them you're not going to put up with their nonsense? By expressing your true feelings and stating that you will not tolerate their nonsense. They will be motivated to do more if they do not want to lose you. 5. They don't give them the attention. Another way to win a man's heart is to never make him your first priority, because if you do, he may lose interest in pursuing you. So, what exactly does this mean? It suggests that just because you're over heels in love with him, you shouldn't give up on your life. If he invites you on a date but you already have arrangements with your friends, never, ever rearrange your plans simply to go with him, since he may take advantage of your time and you will ruin the chronology of your chase. So, the secret is letting him pursue you, letting him prove his worth, not tolerating bullshit, and not making him your priority until he proves to you that he's worthy of being a part of your life. Keep in mind that no matter how crazy you are about him, you always need to control yourself and give him space to win you, and when you succeed in this, he will definitely be crazy, madly and deeply in love with you. If you want to succeed in love, here is another video just like this one. We make it just right for you. You can click it up here and down in the description below. Hope you are winning his heart watching our videos.